Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to be analyzing a music store dataset. First, create a schema and name it music database. Import all the tables needed for this analysis. The link to these tables is in the comment section. To make the process of writing each query smoother, tell MySQL the database to use by writing the query "use music database" and run it. Run all the tables to make sure that all are imported accurately. Rename album 2 to album for ease while writing a query. I will be pasting all the questions you will be answering. The first question is asking you to find the senior most employee based on job title. You will use the employee table, and in this table there is a column called levels. This column shows the seniority of the employees. To return the most senior employee, use the order by levels in descending order and limit it to one row. Adams, the general manager with level 6, is the most senior employee based on job title. Question 2 asks you to find countries that have the most invoices. You will use the invoice table for this question. Each country appears multiple times in multiple rows, such as the USA. You will count all and group by billing country, then order by count as in C in descending order. the USA has the most invoice? Question 3. What are top 3 values of total invoice? Still using the invoice table and the column name total. To find the top 3 values of total invoice, select all from invoice, order by total in descending order, and limit it to 3. Question 4. Which city has the best customers? Write a query that returns one city that has the highest sum of invoice totals. Return both the city name and sum of all invoice totals. So here, you will find the sum of the total column. And in your select statement, add the billing city. Wherever you find an aggregate function, there is a group by clause. Group by billing city. Order by invoice total in descending order. Limit to 1. The city with the best customers goes to Paris or Paris with 68.31 invoice total. Question 5. Who is the best customer? The customer who has spent the most money will be declared the best customer. Write a query that returns the person who has spent the most money. You will use both the customer table and the invoice table. The invoice table and the customer table both have the customer ID columns. Select customer ID that belongs to the customer table. Select first name and last name also belonging to customer table, using C as alias for the customer table. Join invoice I on C.customer_ID equal to I.customer_ID. Go back to the select statement and find the sum of the total column from the invoice table using I as alias for invoice. Group by C.customer_ID. Here, I encountered a little problem with my SQL mode settings, which I resolved. Order by total in descending order. Limit to 1. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. Like the video if you made it this far. Make sure you practice these queries and give yourself a job well done treat. Alright, bye.